Want to turn your backyard into a buzzing paradise for birds and butterflies? Let's build your own wildlife habitat garden. Welcome to TN Nursery YouTube channel, where we bring your garden to life naturally. Start with nectar-rich flowers and native plants, like black-eyed Susan, purple coneflower, and butterfly weed. They feed pollinators and songbirds all season long. Add water features like bird baths, shallow dishes, or mini ponds. Even the smallest splash can attract big life. Layer in shrubs, trees, and brush piles for shelter, shade, and nesting. Think redbud trees, dogwood, and American beautyberry. Skip the chemicals. No pesticides means more butterflies, bees, and beneficial insects to keep your garden in balance. Native choices like milkweed, asters, and goldenrod thrive naturally without extra help. For our Grow Like a Pro tip, choose a mix of plants that bloom in early spring, summer, and fall. This gives pollinators a steady food source all year, while keeping your garden lively and colorful through every season. And here's the magic. Your backyard isn't just beautiful, it becomes a living ecosystem. Ready to start your own wildlife habitat garden? Click the link in the description to shop native plants at TN Nursery and drop a comment on which plants you'd like us to feature next. Don't forget to smash that link button and subscribe. See you in the next one. Happy planting!